Here's a video for the sliding gate. We're going to put a sliding gate from here. It's going to be 11, about 12 feet wide to that corner to this corner, and I'll go to the other side here. And the sliding gate's going to go this way. It's going to go about this from there to there is about almost 15 feet to there, and basically it's going to roll this way about 12. The gate itself, the opening is about 12 feet, so we're going to have a little room to make the gate, so we may have to squeeze it in just a little bit. But the rail, and I'll show you here in a minute, you can see here we got plenty of room here for the gate. So the gate, sliding gate, will be from there to there, and then open up that way. And of course here is going to have to be we're going to put in the economical rail that's going to go up in the air, with the 3x3s going up in the air, and he's fine with that. And it's going to slide this way behind this fence. Also, we got Eddie Villa doing the stain on this side, and then on the other side it'll be stained. The other side is short, so we need to stain this side and then the other side. And I'll get all the measurements for that in the quote. And I'll get all the measurements for this too. So again, it goes down. We're gonna have to do that economical gate that goes basically go up in the air, and he's fine with that again. And then I'll measure this right here real quick. Hold on. Okay, as you can see, that measures there. Okay. A little more in. Hold on. Get a little more in. So it measures about 12 feet and some inches there. And then we'll measure, this is to the fence. So it's 13 feet, like 165, something like that to there. As you can see, there's your measurements. And it's gonna be 6 foot tall. In the style, we're gonna do side by side, dog-eared like it is now. And then these pickets are 5.5 inch. We need to order at least, we need to replace 1, 2, 3, 4, just order about 7 extra pickets at that size, 5.5 inch in raw, because we're gonna stain it.